At 53 years old, I was absolutely exhausted from trying side hustles that felt like punishment. And you know what I'm talking about. Those opportunities that require you to work nights and weekends, bugging friends and family, and learning complete new skills that just makes your brain hurt, right? I wanted something different. I wanted a side hustle that leveraged the 30 years of experience that I already had, but I didn't want to drain what little energy I had left after working a corporate job, having my family responsibilities, and actually get paid well enough to make the effort worthwhile. Have you ever done a side hustle where it just wasn't worth your time? After testing dozens of options, I found 7 side hustles that are absolutely perfect for people over 50, and they aren't get rich quick schemes or MLM recruiting, building teams, or anything like that. These are legit high income opportunities that will work with our lives, not against them. The last thing I wanted was a side hustle that was going to take an extra 40 hours a week because I already work 40 hours. I didn't want to turn that into 80 hours because who has the energy for that? So one side hustle, my best month has earned me $4,200 while working a full-time job. And I'll include that as well. So if we haven't met yet, my name is Kim. I'm a wife of 22 years, mom of 5, including twins, and someone who's been searching for the perfect side hustle for years because 5 kids, yeah, it's a little costly. Now, 2 of the kids are fully grown. The other 3 are all in college. So can we say expenses? That was my motivation for trying to find the perfect side hustle that works with my family, my schedule, and my energy level. But I also wanted something that actually generated a decent income. I didn't want to work for pennies on the dollar. And what I discovered is that the best side hustles for people over 50 aren't the ones being promoted by 25-year-old influencers. They're actually the ones that leverage our experience, our credibility, and our professional skills. And today I'm sharing the 7 that actually work for people like us. Side hustle number 1 is digital marketing consultant. And why this is perfect for people over 50 is it leverages your corporate experience and commands high hourly rates. And you're not starting from scratch. You're actually monetizing knowledge that you already have. You can earn anywhere from, depending on what your skill set is, $75 to maybe even $200 per hour, depending on your expertise and the market. And you can do this in 5, 15 hours a week and still generate a substantial income. And just an example, maybe marketing is your day job. And maybe you've learned digital marketing like I have. And maybe you come across a local restaurant owner that's struggling with social media. You can actually go help them market their restaurant online, help them get customers in the door, and you charge them an hourly rate. And they are thrilled to pay it because you are getting customers in the door for them. Side hustle number 2 is online course creation. So this also monetizes decades of your experience while helping others, and you literally get paid again for things that you already know. And you can charge anywhere from $7 to a $10,000 course. And these courses can sell for years. So you create the product one time and you can resell it over and over again. Now, to create these courses, you're going to spend a lot of time actually creating the course. But once it's done, again, you can sell the course over and over again. And obviously, if you want to, you're going to want to have to update it if it needs updating. So you have to spend that time as well. But once you get the initial course created, this could turn into a massive passive income for you. So what you want to do is identify what you can teach based on your experience and simply create content that solves a specific problem. Now, you can use platforms like Thinkific or Teachable to actually host your course. And why this works for 50 and up is because our life experience, our career is the product. We have authentic stories, real struggles, and proven solutions. And people trust us because they know we've actually lived by what we're teaching. Side hustle number 3, virtual assistant services. And again, this utilizes skills that you've developed over decades and offers a completely flexible schedule. And of course, you can earn anywhere from $20 to $50 per hour, depending on your skills and services. And this can be a part-time or full-time commitment. Maybe you are a executive, president of a company. Your skills there are extremely marketable. And you can find clients through LinkedIn or Upwork or simply just by networking. And what separates you from everyone else is because you have those professional skills and attention to detail that a lot of younger VAs usually lack. So number 4 is content creation, specifically on YouTube. You can share your wisdom, build authority, create multiple income streams from simply one platform. The income potential is unlimitless. You could earn anywhere from $1,000 to $8,000 monthly just from ad revenue. And then if you also add in sponsorships and maybe affiliate marketing, time commitment, depending on how often you post on YouTube, could be anywhere from 8 to 15 hours per week creating and uploading content. And it's funny because this channel specifically used to be a channel about unemployment. Because during the pandemic, people were losing their jobs and people were struggling on the rules and how to file for unemployment. People were not getting paid. People needed help. People needed guidance on how to apply for unemployment and how to get paid. So this channel about unemployment, I've recently changed niches in this channel, but back in 2020, 2021, during the pandemic, this channel got over 15,000 subscribers. And because I shared my real experience of my husband getting laid off and job searching at the age of 50 plus and rebuilding a career, as well as answering people's questions about unemployment. My best month, just with ad revenue alone, was over $5,000. All about a topic that was in demand. Side hustle number 5, digital product reselling. Now, this is my main one and the one that I recommend if you are absolutely new to online marketing and trying to earn an income online. And why it's perfect is because there's no product creation required. Proven systems already exist and you get extremely high profit margins. And you can earn anywhere from $2,000 to $10,000 monthly. Plus, again, the income potential is unlimited and you have about 95% profit margin. Now, the time commitment is about 2 hours a day. And this is my main side hustle. I sell digital marketing education and I keep 100% of the products. And again, my best month has been $4,200 while working a full-time job, while dealing with family chaos of 3 kids in college. And the best part is I did not create these products. And I use proven systems and I focus on marketing to people who need these products. So how to get started is you choose a quality program with master resale rates. You set up your automation systems, which is literally watching a video and then showing you what to do step by step. Now, the key to this is you have to learn marketing and implement what you learn. And the most important thing is you want to focus on building relationships and not just selling. People are tired of being sold to. People are looking to build a connection with others. And when you can build a connection with someone, the chances of them buying increases tremendously because they start to learn to trust you. And the best part is, for people over 50, is we don't need any advanced tech skills because the systems are already done for us. And we can leverage our experience, our credibility to build trust in customers. And it's scalable without being too overwhelming. Side hustle number 6 is online coaching and mentoring. This is one-on-one mentoring, and you typically charge per hour. You could charge anywhere from $100 to $300 per session. And depending on how many clients you want, you can work anywhere from 5 to 20 hours a week, depending on, again, how many clients you want to have. And you determine, obviously, the schedule. And this is mentoring for anything. Could be how to be a VA, how to market on YouTube, how to create a digital product, how to sell real estate, how to sell insurance. The market is absolutely endless. And so what you want to do is define your coaching niche based on your experience. And you can find clients through social media, obviously networking, maybe even YouTube. So the 7th side hustle is e-commerce, specifically creating products for your target market. Maybe you like designing things and you want to start to design t-shirts or mugs or notebooks. And this is really cool because you can partner with specific companies. You give them the design of the t-shirts and they create the t-shirts and then they ship out the t-shirts. So you don't have to do any of that. And again, you can find your customers using social media, and the income potential obviously could be unlimited. It could be anywhere from a couple $100 a month to a couple thousand. And you can actually create your own online store with all the products that you want to sell. And you can use Shopify to build your online store. Now, I'm sure you might be wondering, Kim, which one should I choose? If you have strong professional skills, I definitely recommend starting with either a digital marketing consultant or virtual assistant services. And of course, if you have a story to tell, do something similar to what I did and create a YouTube channel around a certain topic like I did. But if you want something that's a little bit more hands-off, then digital product reselling is absolutely perfect, especially if you had no idea where to start. Because what this is going to do is teach you marketing skills. And if you want to sell anything online, you have to have these marketing skills. We're not only going to teach you marketing, but we're going to also teach you how you can earn an income online without having to create your own products from scratch. Even if you know nothing about digital marketing or selling online, we're going to teach you step by step exactly how to do that. And once you learn marketing, you can sell anything that you want. And the best part is, maybe you do want to create a digital product, but you don't know how. We can show you how to do that as well. Just make sure when you are deciding what you want to sell, you want to choose something that aligns with your existing skills and interests, because the best side hustle for you is the one that you're actually going to stick with long enough to see the results. So I invite you to join our community of people. We have so many people that are seeing success online and making an income to help people retire early in their 50s. And if you want information about what I'm doing, definitely click on the link below this video. And don't let this video be one that you just watch and forget. choose a side hustle that resonates with you and make sure that you take that first step this week. Because if you keep pushing it off and pushing it off, then you're never going to start. And let me leave you with this thought. At 53, I'm building something that no one can take away from me. And these aren't just side hustles, they're building blocks for your financial future, and they're proof that your experience has value, and they're evidence that your best earning years can be ahead of you and not behind you. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to learn how you too can earn a full-time income working 2 hours a day with a fully automated system that you can work alongside your full-time job. Click on the link below in the description and I'll send you all the details.